Lorena, magko-color si Mami. Lorena, magko-color si Mami. Dali, color ikaw, oh. Lorena, color ikaw, oh. Color. Wow! Wow! Hold mo yung color mo. Oh, tapos ganun, pahid mo dito. Baliktad. Oh, dali, oh. Okay, color ikaw. Yay! Oh, dali. Color ikaw, color. Yay! Color siya. Yay! Yay! O, color na, color. Wow! Ganito. O, gayahin mo to, o. Oh, wow, turtle. O, color ka dito. Ganun mo yung pang-color mo, o. Yung Crayola mo. Pahin mo dito yung crayons. Ganun, para mag-color ikaw. Sige, kung ano pa yung kaya mong yawak sa crayon. Mabigat yan. Oh, dali. Oh, hold mo na. Oh, yan. Wow. Guhit-guhit yung baby. Galing. Yay. Oh, guhit na ikaw. Ganon, dali. Oh, dali. Wow. Dito, dito. Wow. Very good. Yay. Wow, galing naman. O, dito naman daw. Dito naman sa leaves, oh. Dali. Wow. Wow, galing. Yay. O, dali, karayon ka pa. Wow, galing. Wow. O, dali, karayon ka pa, oh. Wow, galing naman. Yay. O, again, again. Again. Wow. Wow! Now again, color ka pa ulit. Wow! Very good! Wow! Ang galing! Yay! Clap your hands! Wow! Very good! Yay! Wow! So galing naman ang baby! Yay! O, dali, kulay ka pa, kulay. Wow, galing ah! Dami na ng colors ng baby ah! Yay! Wow, galing naman. Wow, so nice! Wow, galing! Yay! Clap your hands. Wow, galing! Yay! Yay! Galing! Ba? What color? Red. Yay! Wow. What color? Red. Wow. Yay. Yay. Wow. Wow. Big colors. Wow. Yay. Yay. Clap your hands. Yay. Wow, dami niya nakulayan na. Galing ah. Oh, galing ah. Yay. Wow, dami. Yay. Oh, clap your hands. So, very good. Very good ang baby. Galing-galing. Yay. Oh, clap your hands daw. Clap your hands. Yay. So good. You're really good! Yay! Thumbs up! Oh! Wow! Oh, tignan niyo yung kulay niya. Oh, ang dami na. Guhit-guhit. Oh, dali. Oh, ito pa. Oh, ito pa. Ang guguhit pa daw siya. Oh, dali. Color pa ikaw. Oh, straight line. Oh, yay! Galing naman. Yay! Yay! Kulay pa ikaw. Wow! Wow! So good naman ang baby na yan. Wow! Ay, galing oh! Yay! Oh! 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 Wow! Wow! Gigil ikaw? Gigil? Clap your hands daw! Clap your hands. Very good ikaw, oh. Clap your hands. Very good ikaw. Yay. Yay. Puro clap your hands. Yay! Oh, guhit pa ikaw. Yay! Wow! Wow! Yay! Oh, ibang page naman daw. Tingnan nyo, nagawa niya. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, kukulay pa daw siya. Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Yay! Oh, ito naman, oh. Oh. Wow! Wow! A big fish! Yay! Oh, wow! Kulay niya daw. Wow! Big fish! Wow! Oh, clap your hands! Clap your hands! Yay! Wow! You're so good! You're very good, baby! Yay! Yay! Ba! Yay! Ba! Kulay ka lang dyan. Sige, ito. Yay! Ba! Nag-enjoy siya kakakulay. Yun! Nagsasalita pa siya. Ba! Yay! Enjoy na enjoy siya. No? Fish? It's a fish? Big fish? Do you want to see a dolphin, baby? Do you wanna see a dolphin? Tara dito, dali. Dolphin naman, dolphin, dolphin. Wow, there's a mommy dolphin and a baby dolphin. This one's baby Neris. This one, baby Neris. Yay! Wow! Wow! Nice one. Oh, clap your hands. Clap your hands daw. Yes. Aba. Aba, inuuto ako ni mommy. Aba. Hindi, kulay ka lang dyan para sa'yo din yan. Oh, ganda ng bibino. Oh. Madaming page yan. Oh. Oh. Wow. Nakakatakot na fish. Wow, it's starfish. Oh, kulay mo na. Yay. Wow. Dito, baliktad ka flip ng page. Yan. Yan. Wow. Aba. Oh, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Baby, clap your hands. Ay, pagod nakakaklap. Oh, wow. Galing ah. Oh, galing ah. Aba. Ah, inupuan mo na yung ano mo. Ito yung harap niya. Oh. Oh, wow. Ayan yung gawa niyang una. At ako yung nagkulay nito. Tapos siya na yung mga guhit. Aba. Cute. Yay! Clap your hands. Ba? Lagi na lang naririnig sa'yo, baby. Ba? Aba. Favorite word niya yun. Aba. Ate. Yan ang favorite sabihin ni baby Neris. Oh, wala kang kukulayan dyan. Dahil cover lang yan. Ito ang pwede mo nang kulayan. Yay! Aba, very good na baby ngayon. Mag-watch na ikaw ng TV. Stop na, bukas naman. Oh, yay! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.